Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas ending in Baby Dragon Story. To begin, you'll want to start a new game or load a save file from before the winter season. It's crucial to maintain your dragon's happiness and health at high levels throughout the year. Dedicate time each day to activities that strengthen your bond, like petting and grooming, as this foundation is key for unlocking the special ending later on. The Christmas ending is primarily triggered during the game's winter season. A vital step is to have given your dragon at least 3 special, unique gifts throughout the year. These aren't just any items, they are specific, high-value presents that show your affection. Make sure to spread these gifts out, perhaps one in spring, one in summer, and one in autumn, to build up to the festive event. Beyond gifts, consistent care is paramount. Always feed your dragon its favorite foods. Observe what it enjoys most. Daily play sessions are also essential. Use toys like the squeaky ball or a feather wand to keep its spirits high. A crucial item to acquire is the winter charm, available in the village shop during the autumn season. This charm plays a significant role in the final trigger for the Christmas event. If you followed all the steps, on the 25th day of the winter season, a special event will unfold. Your beloved baby dragon will come to you, offering a unique and heartwarming Christmas gift. This moment signifies your success in achieving the festive ending. Enjoy this special interaction, as it's the culmination of your dedication and care throughout your dragon's journey, bringing a truly magical conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.